If you want to learn how to do your eyebrows and eyeliner to get your face from looking like this to this, only for the price of 200 pesos, then keep watching this video because I will teach you how.
Hi guys, it's Aji. So for today's video, the setup is a little different. I'm not in my usual setup, and if you're a real one, you would know whose background this is. But ayun nga, for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how big of an effect eyebrow and eyeliner does to my makeup routine. And I'm going to be featuring some products from Pinkflash. Hindi sila bago. I've actually made like a few TikTok videos about them already. And I did have a face na ito lang talaga yung ginagamit ko because this is a really good eyebrow powder. But yeah, if you want to see the whole transformation that eyebrow and eyeliner gives, then keep watching the video. Okay, so to start, this is the eyebrow stamp from Pinkflash. Ganito siyang binubuksan. So it basically has the powder right here sa other cap, and then the sponge applicator is here on the other side. This one has 4 different shades. This is TP01, this is CE01, this is GB01, and this is RB01. So lightest to darkest, I would say this one, RB01 goes first, and then TP01, and then CE01, and then GB01. And if you're wondering, bakit siya may sponge applicator, that's because, again, it's an eyebrow stamp. So inside the box, you'll get this, which are eyebrow templates, and then you'll also get one spoolie. Kasi itong mga eyebrow templates, it's really just up to preference. Like, you can really decide kung anong shape ng eyebrow yung gusto mo. They have this one which is straight but with a harsher arch. And then this one which gives major 2016 kilay vibes. They have this one which medyo may pagkatita because it's a very thin eyebrow template. And so much more. Ayan, ang dami nilang shape for different styles and different preferences. So I'm going to try to find a template that I like. This isn't bad. I'm currently torn between these shapes, but honestly, I think I'll go with this one since it's the closest to my normal kilay like shape. So basically, how you use this is that you prep na yung eyebrow powder. I personally like tapping off yung excess na powder para hindi super pigmented and super harsh. Especially kapag beginner ka, just so you have a little more room for error. I'm just going to place it where I want my eyebrow to be. And then using the sponge applicator, I'm going to start sa my tail and just lightly start to tap. Going lighter in pressure, the more close you get to the front of the brows para hindi siya mukhang block. I'm going to make the ends look more pigmented para lang may ombre effect. Time for the reveal! I'm a little scared. I know I've done this before, but like, hindi ko pa ata nagagamit tong template na to. Honestly, I feel like medyo choosy lang talaga ako kasi I have a very specific way of doing my brows. But like, kung hindi ka marunong magkilay, ito na yon. Ito na yon. Like, this literally is like so easy, so quick. I can admit na like, the ease of it comes with a little experience and practice. Kasi if hindi ka pa talaga nakakapag-try ng kahit anong eyebrow stamp, it can get a little finicky, especially like trying to hold the eyebrow stamp with one hand and then using your other hand for the stamp. But, ayan siya. Yung itsura niya. Diba? Atake lang siya. Atake lang talaga siya. Pero kung katulad kita na sobrang choosy sa shape ng kilay, you can always use this product still kasi maganda yung quality ng powder niya. So you can just take a thin angled brush, dip it sa powder, and then start doing your preferred shape. And I'm going to do that method on this side of my eye. It's definitely like softer, pero don't worry kasi this is the kind of pigment that you can build up naman. If you can see, this side where I used the brow stamp, it looks a lot more sharper, a lot more refined. And this side where I used the brush can definitely use some cleaning up, but I like this side a little better kasi I have more control on the shape. But again, like I keep emphasizing, if you're a beginner and you really do not know how to do your brows, yung paggamit ng template ang mas nare-recommend ko just because it's like easier to figure out. I don't know if you can see it, pero Meron silang guide kung paano mo siya pwedeng ilagay because naka-map out na yung start ng brows, yung eyebrow tail, and yung eyebrow arch. So I can attest that this is definitely going to be easier if you have no idea how to do your kilay. And as I've mentioned, I did have a face na ito lang talaga yung eyebrow kilay na ginagamit ko. And you may doubt that kasi like, it's a powder, di ba? Parang ang hirap naman ng concept na magkakaroon ka ng long-lasting na kilay with just powder. Especially kasi wala siyang wax to help it melt into the skin. But, you'd be surprised. I have here a wet white. Tignan natin yung swatch. Yung swatch ko kanina. See? Merong onting transfer of color dun sa white mismo. But as you can see, it's fairly smudge-proof on my hand. Makapit talaga siya on the skin. I just don't know how sweat-proof this is, pero I am starting to sweat. And I don't see a problem so far. So yeah, yan na yung kilay. I'm going to try and like fix this a little bit and then we can move on to eyeliner. Ayan, I'm back and I feel like my eyebrows are like fairly even now. I just can't clean them up because I already powdered my face. Medyo mas maayos na siya tignan. And given the fact that this was from an eyebrow stamp, I would say like, it looks pretty good. It looks really good. So now it's time for the eyeliner stamp. This is from the same line as the eyebrow stamp and this is an eyeliner stamp. And katulad ng pagpakita ko sa inyo kanina where you can use the stamp or you can do it manually, the same thing goes for this eyeliner. You have a triangular stamp on one side. Ganito po siya mag-apply. If you want to do it on the other eye, yun na siya. Very simple. And of course, if hindi ganito yung type ng eyeliner wing na gusto nyong magawa, do not worry. You can still tweak it because on the other side is this marker tip applicator. Ganyan siya. Depending on the amount of pressure, you can definitely do like thick strokes or like thin strokes like this. And I'm going to confess something. If this was like 2016 me, I would definitely eat up this kind of like eyeliner wing. Pero unfortunately, I'm not that kind of person anymore. I do prefer thinner and like straighter eyeliner wings right now. Like as in yung talagang manipis lang. Not to the point na hindi na siya detectable, but like I don't like it when it's this thick. So for that reason, I'm going to use the felt tip marker side. I'm going to do the eyeliner on this side of my eye. Ganyan. Diba? Kita nyo ba? Hindi na talaga ako gumagawa ng super makapal na wing eyeliner. And if bet mo yung mga ganitong type ng eyeliner na super manipis lang, do not be intimidated by the thickness of the marker tip applicator. You can still definitely do thin strokes with this. And eto na siya. So, ayan. Ito yung difference niya on the side with eyeliner and the side without eyeliner. Like, this is just one simple step, but the difference is absolutely there. It elongated my eyes. It made the outer part of my eyes look slightly taller. Yan. Yan na siya. Again, papantayin ko lang to on the other side and I'll see you guys for the final result. And this is the final makeup look. It doesn't look super glowy because of the lighting, but I swear the glow is there. But the point of the makeup is the eyeliner and the brows. And as you can see, they're laid. They look really nice, if I do say so myself. And the eyeliner, looking fly. Somewhat even naman siya. So, give nyo na to sa akin. And to think that the products I used are like very beginner friendly and come in a stamp form, I think it deserves more credit for that. So yeah, this is the whole makeup look. And just to show you guys the power of brows and eyeliner, I'm going to show you guys a before and after of what my face would look like without the brows and without the eyeliner. That's so scary, di ba? Ang lahat ng difference. So yeah, I hope this mini tutorial helped you out. And if you have any more questions or tutorials that you want me to make, then please comment them down below. If you want to see more of me, I have these other social media channels. And if you want to see more of me here on YouTube, then click subscribe and click the ring button so you can be notified every time I post. Yun lang naman. That's all for this video. Bye!